Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning miracles with Stardrops Pink Stuff, the ultimate solution for all your cleaning needs. If you're tired of battling stubborn stains and grime, look no further. This product is here to revolutionize the way you clean. Picture this: a world where cleaning is effortless, where stains vanish with a mere swipe, and surfaces gleam with a sparkling shine. That's the promise of Stardrops Pink Stuff, a cleaning paste and multi-purpose spray bundle that's taking the market by storm. Let's start with the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Established in 1938, this iconic paste has stood the test of time, earning its reputation as a versatile cleaner for both indoor and outdoor use. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, this paste tackles grime with ease, leaving nothing but pristine surfaces in its wake. And the best part? It's tough on stains but gentle on surfaces, so you can clean with confidence, knowing that scratches and streaks are a thing of the past. But wait, there's more. The bundle also includes the Miracle Multi-Purpose Cleaner Spray. This innovative spray penetrates and removes grease with unparalleled efficiency, leaving behind nothing but shiny, clean results. And with 100% natural cleaning particles, you can feel good about keeping your home sparkling without harsh chemicals. Whether you're tackling kitchen messes or outdoor grime, the Pink Stuff bundle has you covered. From stoves to metal surfaces, ceramics to glass shower doors, there's no job too tough for this dynamic duo. Say goodbye to multiple cleaning products cluttering your shelves. With Stardrops Pink Stuff, one bundle does it all. In conclusion, if you're in search of the ultimate cleaning solution, look no further than Stardrops Pink Stuff. With its time-tested formula and versatile cleaning capabilities, this bundle is a game-changer for any household. So why wait? Experience the miracle of pink stuff for yourself and discover a new standard of clean. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.